Hi, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel Articulate with Gauri Kamboj.
Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have for you a watercolor tutorial on how to paint a simple bowl of fruit. We are painting apples here, but the same technique applies to any spherical fruit. The focal point today is how light and dark shades of a color create 3D objects. Once you have a sketch of any fruit in a bowl, you need to decide the side from which light is falling on the fruit. For the purpose of this study, I have decided that I am going to have the light falling on the apple from the left. I have marked out sections on the apple slightly. The closest to the light source will get the most light and will get lightest shades of red. As we move away from the light towards the right, the section of the apples will get less light and will be darker. The darkest sections of the apple will be those where the apple is either under another apple or in the shadow of one and does not directly face the source of light. Same applies to the bowl. The left side of the bowl will have more light and cast on it and will be painted in the lightest shade of green. As you move to the right, the shades will get darker. To begin with, let's give a plain light lemon yellow wash to the entire paper. Once dry, I will start working on the lightest shades of red first, diluted with water, and gradually develop more and more dark color on the apples. Letting it dry between layers, I have left that part of the apple which faces light directly, almost without color. This is where the highlights of the apple will be seen, where the light will reflect off the apples are the lightest. Drying between each glaze allows my color to get richer. With the help of parallel strokes, rather curved parallel strokes, I create the texture of the apples. There are light serrations on apples which can be seen as a texture. Now working on the darkest shadows in the bowls where the light falls the least. The darkest shades of red transitioning to black. Now for the small stems of the apples which are painted a dark bottle green, then the leaf and the shadow cast by the leaf. I've decided to paint the bowl green to match the leaf. The bowl is painted on the same principles of light and dark. The bowl itself has a different texture from the apple, so the brush strokes will vary. Here I am using a more circular brush stroke to create a rougher texture. The inner side of the bowl too is dark and its edges are carefully thickened to give it a 3D appearance. Shadow cast by the bowl will be blue. I am keeping the foreground light ochre to represent the table on which the bowl is placed. The background is painted a dramatic Neptune blue and the arched white section is left uncolored, suggesting the source of light falling on the apples. Friends, I hope you liked this tutorial. For more such content, please comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.